I was born there in the 14th district.
Were you?
Here, yeah.
Is there a hospital here?
I don't know.
No, well, no, we don't know. Yeah.
Now turn right onto Tuscris. In 200 meters, turn right onto Hofstrasse. Now turn right onto Hofstrasse.
Ah ja, das ist Ober St. Veit und Unter St. Veit.
Yeah, so we should have come up that one, yeah. Or up here, yeah. Back there.
This one here.
Yeah.
Now turn left onto Fermi Angus.
Further up, like. Oh, you mean the road, yeah.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Wolfrathplatz, then turn left to stay on Wolfrathplatz.
Wolfrathplatz.
I was never here in this district. Maybe only when I was born.
Perhaps.
Was ist das? Ah nein, das ist schon 13. Das ist Hitzing. Das ist nicht Penzing, das ist jetzt Hitzing.
Now turn right onto Wolfrathplatz.
And then sharp left.
Now turn left to stay on Wolfrathplatz.
So further on. And then left down here.
Nice auntie.
Now turn right onto Vienna.
Gosh, we're high up.
But yeah, we have I think a bad connection with Tram, and we're far away from.
With what? The internet?
No, from Tram.
No, well, there's a bus nearby.
I think yes.
I don't know if it's the tram or the bus, but it's like.
Ah yeah, here's a bus line, yeah.
But this is not where we're going to be.
So we're up here.
We're up here. It's
In
about,
200 meters, turn
it's
left
at the
onto
end of the
Vienna.
bus line. At the very end, and then it's like 15 minutes walk.
Now turn left onto Vienna.
Must be a shorter bit.
Now bear right onto Janskluskris.
straightforward way.
It doesn't really matter, we'll never do it again, so.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Wasserstrasse.
Where's extras?
Vlassachstrasse.
Now turn right onto Wasserstrasse.
So, Peter, if you see a parking for parking, please tell us.
Awful lot closer. It's supposed to be up the end of this road.
Was a parking sign or what?
For a parking ticket. We must be able to buy a parking ticket.
It must be.
Parking ticket?
Yeah.
Here is no parking ticket.
Can't tell which one.
I never heard about parking tickets
no, I
here.
don't know what she's on about either. So let's just wait till we get there and find it. I'm sure we'll
Look,
not
they
get...
also have no parking tickets.
Yeah, but I'm sure we'll not get locked up if we park outside it for 10 minutes while we find what's going on.
She says you need a ticket between 9 in the morning and 10 o'clock at night.
Yeah, maybe they have in the house a parking place. But
No.
when you park here,
does-
you need no ticket.
Yes.
It's
Here.
100%.
Yes.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
When you are parking here, like this one, nobody can disturb you.
So.
And here is Anfang, beginning of you can park here.
You can
but
park
on
here.
this side you can park.
Okay, let's just pay attention. 74.
74.
It's up here. It's these flats.
Now your destination is on the right.
74. There you go,
There you go,
74.
74. So we can be parked there.
Well, let's just hold on. We'll go and stick ourselves over there. But it might be a local permit or something like that, Susan. She's on about. I really don't know.
At 10 meters high, Asona. Yeah, you have so much place here.
Can't see any
Restrictions on
Yeah.
that, but you never know. I don't know. I'm going to stick it in that hole over there.
in this one.
Yes, and then we can figure it out after that.
Sounds like a plan. Be inside the light.
He's 71. I'm asking again.
Well, we've just been into a museum of death, or a cemetery museum, bit of both. Unusual, but absolutely fascinating. Really interesting to see how people have been buried in Vienna through the ages. It's quite unique to the place, the way it's been done, as far as I can tell. And some really interesting sort of photographs and video as well. Really good. Yeah, I'd recommend it if you ever come here. It's good.
Yeah. That's so nice.
Helpful, isn't it?
That is nice.
The one at the end is completely covered up.
That's so nice.
See that one at the end?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, it's a great room. Look at that. Wow.
Oh my god.
There's another one on the table, isn't there?
That's 2050.
Yeah, it's still used, though. All these kinds of things we've seen in the past in different places have not been in use for a long time, but this is still very much alive, I was going to say, if you know what I mean.
Yes, yeah. 1996. She's marvelous.
What's next
But I
then?
think they must be inside.
I think so.
Yeah. But you should last English.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful, eh? So peaceful.
Ante Maria würde so, wo kommt immer rein, schaut, vielleicht findet man noch was. Ja. Gott sei Dank wissen wir so. Change place. Ja. I was the first time when I was in Zurich, going up with the elevator.
Ich mache meine Pamela rein.
Walk on, come back.
I can drink.
Yeah.
I can drink.
3 more.
Yeah.
ready to watch the Fliegermaus in the Viennese Opera Hall.